Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Nurul Ruzana binti Ramli. My student ID is 02-12-27-197-4001. I am a student from the Faculty of Education at Open University Malaysia. Today, I am going to deliver democratic speed entitled How to Make Instant Noodle Healthy in just 5 minutes. Before we begin, let me ask you a simple question. Who here like to eat instant noodle? I think almost everyone does. Instant noodles are one of the most popular meals because they are quick, affordable, and easy to prepare. Many students and busy people choose instant noodle when they do not have much time to cook. However, eating instant noodles alone is a not healthy choice because they do not certain enough nutrition. The good news is that with just a few simple ingredients, we can make instant noodles healthy and more delicious. Today, I will to show you a very simple life hack by edit and eat it and fresh sawi. Now let's begin! Before we start cooking, let me introduce the ingredient. Here, I have one packet of instant noodles. Next, I have one fresh egg. I also have fresh sawi. Beside that, I have water, a cooking pot, a spoon, and surfboard. The ingredients are simple, available, and easy to find. Adding an egg and sawi is a great way to make instant noodle healthy without spending much money. First, I pour some water into the pot. Then I turn on the stove and wait until the water boils. While waiting, let me explain why this step is important. Boiling water properly helps the noodles cook evenly and give them a better texture. It also prevents the noodles from becoming too soft or sticking. Usually, it only takes a few minutes. Now that the water is boiling, I add the instant noodle into the pot. I let them cook for about 1 minute. At this stage, I do not add the seasoning yet because I want the noodles to soften first. While I waiting, I gently first the noodles, then help them to cook evenly. Next, I add the sawi. I like using sawi because it is easy to find, available, and cook very quickly. Sawi is also a healthy vegetable. It certain vitamin, mineral, and fiber that are good for our body. Any vegetable like sawi make our meal healthy and more colorful. Even a small amount of vegetable can um, improve the nutrition of instant noodles. Now I crack one egg into the pot. Eggs are rich in protein. Protein help our body grow, repair muscle, and keep us feeling full for our longer time. You can leave the egg whole or stick it into the soup. Today, I will leave it whole because it looks more attractive. Now, I add the seasoning from the instant noodle packet. Then, I stir everything get there. Here is one simple health tips. If you want to reduce your salt intake, you can use only part of the seasoning instead of the whole packet. This is a simple way to make your milk a little healthy while still keeping a nice flavor. After another 1 or 2 minutes, the noodles are ready. Now I can pour into the bowl. As you can see, this bowl of instant noodle look much better than ordinary instant noodle. The sawi made the dish look fresh and colorful. The eggs made the milk rich and more satisfying. So, why do I call it as a life hack? A life hack is a simple idea that makes our daily life easy or better. By adding just add, eat, and some sorry, we can make instant noodle healthy without spending much money or taking much extra time. The egg gives us protein. The sawi provide vitamin, mineral, and fiber. This meal is still quick to prepare but is more balanced than eating instant noodles alone. This is especially useful for students, working older, and everyone with a busy lifestyle. In conclusion, making instant noodle healthy is a simple life hack that everyone can try at home. We do not need expensive ingredients or a lot of time to make better food choice. Sometimes small change like adding a egg and some soy can improve our meal and making them more balanced. So, the next time you prepare instant noodle, remember that a simple change can make a big difference. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye.